Now my 360 camera may or may not overheat this time because it is 27 degrees Celsius. That would just be my luck, wouldn't it? Now, you may or may not be thinking to yourself, Piper, why the heck do you have 3 mirrors on your motorcycle? Isn't Laci a little bit overdressed for this kind of weather? Well, the reason I have 3 mirrors right now is simply because my dome nut that attached my mirrors, like these mirrors to the bike, cross-threaded. So now, I have to go into town to get another dome nut. So it's a little bit annoying, but it's because those dome nuts were made out of like aluminium and they just weren't very good quality in general. Are we moving? Yep, we're moving. Alright, we're here at Screwfix. See if we can get what we need. Hopefully we can. Alright, we are now on our way to town. My original plan was to meet my friend today, but the mirror situation happened, so I wasn't really able to do that. It's quite funny because they gave me 100 dome nuts and 100 M8 washers. I only need one. But it's quite funny because if this happens another 99 times, then I've got it covered. It's so warm out today. I was also going to put petrol in Laci, but we're over half a tank, so I don't think we'll need it just yet. These traffic lights take ages. Every single red light, every single one I've hit. Oh no, what have I done? This is going to be annoying as heck. Unless I can beat the 3 lanes of traffic. Well, technically 2 lanes of traffic. They're going straight on that way. No, I'm not going to try that. That's stupid. Yeah, I wouldn't try that. Yeah, after this black Mercedes. Yep. While we're in town, we also need to pick up my prescription. Well, let's lock her up. And we're still recording on a 360, nice. It's not overheated. Yet. Alright, we're on our way home now. We got the nuts, we got the washers. Happy days. Wish I didn't have to buy them though. Oh, that's a nice breeze. 27 degrees today. Celsius, that is. I don't know what it is in Fahrenheit. Probably like 94? Unnecessary. I think that bus has broken down or something. Now it's us. But yeah, I want to end off the video here. There's going to be nothing really that interesting left in the ride, but I want to thank you for watching this video, even though it wasn't really as fun as going out to see my friend, but it's a ride. So thank you for watching the ride. If you enjoyed it for some reason and you want to see more rides, go ahead and offer to make the like button some potato salad, but then when they're not expecting it, throw some raisins in there.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Also be sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an upload. Turn on those bell notifications. I do upload every Monday and Wednesday, or at least I try to. Oh, that's a nice bike. Is that a Suzuki? But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Keep the rubber side down, and until next time, I'll be seeing you.